The 16-inch rolling laptop backpack is designed with a unique top-opening feature, allowing for both vertical and horizontal storage, making packing and access effortless. With 3 compartments and 18 pockets, including a padded laptop compartment, this backpack is perfect for a 2 to 3 day trip and ensures your belongings are well organized. The retractable aluminum handle and 2 silent wheels provide a smooth rolling experience, while hidden shoulder straps offer the flexibility of hands-free carrying. Constructed with high-density polyester, this water-resistant backpack is durable and includes a USB charging port to keep your devices powered on the go. With its TSA-friendly dimensions and ability to open fully to 180 degrees, this backpack simplifies airport security checks and fits comfortably in overhead bins or underseat. This versatile backpack is perfect for travel, work, or overnight trips and comes with a lifetime after-sales service, making it a thoughtful gift for any occasion.